welcome you all back to the session. So today's session we will see what is language testing and also what is localization testing. So language testing is actually a short form of language compatibility testing. So here what happens, this ensures that the software created in English can work with the platforms different environment that are English and non-English. So for example, if a software application is developed for Microsoft Windows, then the software to be tested with the different available languages also. And the settings of Microsoft Windows, since the software is not localized at this stage, it will still continue to respond you and interact with the using English messages. So this testing is done to ensure that the functionality of the software is not broken on the other language settings and it is still compatible. So you just have to make sure that software works properly in all the different languages also. So local testing also comes under the language testing. So language testing mainly focuses on testing the English product with the global environment of the products and services functioning in non-English. So in the next slide I will be showing you the diagram. So this illustrates the language testing for various combinations of locals that have to be tested in the client server architecture. So as in the diagram you can see, for language testing one of the European language is selected and its accent is represented with the character, and one language for the double byte representation, and one default language, and which is English. So the colored figure you can see. So testing the majority of the combination illustrated in the figure is ensuring that the compatibility of the English software to work with the different language platforms. So while testing, it is very important for you to look for the local related issues, as some of the defects that escape from the local testing may now show up in this testing. And it is also important to understand that there are many code pages like bit streams and message conventions are taking place for the internalization when the data is transmitted between the machines or between the software and also between the operating systems. So this may sometimes cause some issues in the functionality also. So your application also may break down. And it is also good practice to have the performance test which is associated with the language testing. So you need to have the performance test cases for the language testing also. And also irrespective of the language being used for the software or operating system or their combinations, so it is very important to be verified during the language testing. So you have to verify these checklists. So language testing should at least have some checklists like check the functionality on English, one on non-English, and one on double byte language platform. So also sometimes have a checklist of performance of the key functionalities on the different languages platform and also across the different machines which is connected in the network. So you need to have all these checklists. So in the next session we will continue with the localization testing. Thank you all.